gadgets you need now. Did you know that on average, people spend over $1,000 a year on tech gadgets alone? That's like a lot of avocado toasts. So why not spend it wisely and snag some of the coolest tech out there? From sleek smartwatches to futuristic home gadgets, we've got it all lined up for you. So let's dive in. 1. Luminade lamp. This inflatable LED lamp is a game changer for your outdoor adventures. With 150 lumens of warm LED light and multiple brightness settings, including candle flicker and turbo mode, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and garden parties. Plus, it's ultra portable and compact, weighing less than 10 ounces and inflating to a 6 inches cube. And get this, it's waterproof, shatterproof, and durable, making it ideal for any adventure. 2. PetSafe Drinkwell Fountain. With a generous 128 Oz capacity, this fountain is perfect for cats, dogs, and multi-pet households. Encourage hydration with filtered, flowing water streams that entice pets to drink more and promote kidney health. Plus, customize the water flow with 5 streams and keep it fresh with replaceable filters. Made with high-grade stainless steel for durability and hygiene. 3. QBI Under Desk Elliptical. Say goodbye to sedentary days with this Bluetooth-enabled pedal exerciser. Designed for smooth, joint-friendly workouts at home or the office, it syncs with your phone or fitness tracker to set and track your fitness goals. Portable and whisper quiet, you can burn up to 125 calories per hour while you work. Watch TV or chill on the couch. Get ready to pedal your way to fitness without missing a beat. 4. MeCare Magnetic Phone Holder. Say hello to hands-free convenience at the gym and beyond. With its innovative magnetic design and 360-degree adjustability, this phone holder makes recording workouts or watching videos a breeze. Whether you're hitting the gym or whipping up a storm in the kitchen, this versatile holder keeps your phone secure and accessible. Plus, its portable design means you can take it with you wherever you go. 5. Parrot Flower Power. Say goodbye to guessing games with your plant's health. This wireless smart sensor measures your plant's vital signs in real time, syncing effortlessly with your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth. With a database boasting over 6,000 plants, it's like having a personal botanist in your pocket. Keep your indoor and outdoor greenery thriving with this must-have gadget for plant lovers. 6. Zipwall Dust Barrier System. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or managing a commercial project, Zipwall has got you covered. Trusted by industries like healthcare, hospitality, and manufacturing, these temporary walls create clean, dust-free workspaces. Perfect for remodeling, renovations, painting, and more, Zipwall helps you get the job done efficiently and safely. 7. Oculus Quest VR Headset. Dive into the future of gaming with this advanced all-in-one virtual reality experience. With a massive 128 GB storage capacity and a blazing fast processor, Oculus Quest 2 delivers unparalleled immersion and smooth gameplay. Plus, with anti-slip controller grip covers and adjustable knuckle straps, comfort and control are at your fingertips. 8. Swagtron Folding Electric Bike. Cruise in style with this versatile ride that puts you in control. Reach speeds up to 15 miles per hour on battery power alone, or switch to pedal mode for a traditional biking experience. With a range of up to 15.5 miles per charge and the ability to conquer steep hills with ease, adventure knows no bounds. Plus, enjoy customizable comfort with adjustable seat and handlebars. 9. Failbear Bluetooth Headphones. Elevate your listening experience with superior sound quality and immersive bass that takes your music to the next level. With 40 hours of playtime and 6 EQ modes to customize your sound, these headphones are perfect for all-day listening sessions. Plus, enjoy the convenience of wireless freedom and crystal-clear hands-free calls with the built-in microphone. Foldable and adjustable for easy portability, these headphones are your perfect travel companion. 10. Ringly Smart Ring. Stay on top of your wellness game with this sleek activity tracker that does it all. Track your steps, distance, and calories burned with precision. Set and smash your goals with personalized alerts to keep you motivated. Plus, stay connected with smart notifications for calls and messages, all with subtle vibrations and vibrant colors. And with guided audio meditations, find your zen anytime, anywhere. 11. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for iPad. Dive into 5 interactive learning games that make education fun and exciting. From math and spelling to creativity and problem solving, Osmo brings learning to life with hands-on activities and real-time feedback. Perfect for ages 6 10. This STEM toy is a must-have for every curious mind. 12. 3 Doodler 3D printing pen. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, this innovative tool lets you bring your ideas to life in 3 dimensions. With quick heat-up and easy-to-use controls, you can sketch, doodle, and design anything you can imagine. Plus, with 15 vibrant colors and a stencil book included, the possibilities are endless. 13. BopPad Smart Fabric Drum Pad. Elevate your drumming experience with this cutting-edge percussion device. Featuring a smart fabric surface, the BopPad offers dynamic sensitivity and responsiveness for expressive drumming like never before. With its compact and portable design, you can take your beats anywhere and unleash your creativity on the go. 14. Nim Ring. With its discreet design and concealed button, Nim gives you peace of mind wherever you go. Whether you're in danger or just need a helping hand, simply press the button to alert your loved ones, emergency services, and the Nim community. 15. Dodo Sleep Aid Device. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to natural, peaceful sleep with Dodo's soothing light therapy inspired by yoga and meditation. Simply tap the touch-sensitive surface to choose your mode and follow the gentle light patterns to synchronize your breath. With regular use, you'll soon drift off to dreamland effortlessly. 16. Foldable Neck Massager. Say goodbye to neck pain and tension with this innovative massager designed for ultimate relaxation. Featuring 9 upgraded vibrating massage heads, customizable modes, and levels of heat and vibration, you can tailor your massage experience to suit your needs. Plus, with its foldable and portable design, you can enjoy a soothing massage anywhere, anytime. Winner of the German IF Design Award 2024, this massager is not just effective but stylish too. Treat yourself or your loved ones to the gift of comfort and relaxation with the SKGG 7 Pro Fold Neck Massager. 17. Neato Robot Vacuum. With its advanced features and intelligent design, this robot vacuum takes cleaning to a whole new level. Control it effortlessly with the Neato app, scheduling cleanings, setting boundaries, and receiving notifications even when you're away. Its D-shaped design ensures a thorough clean, reaching corners and edges that round-shaped vacuums miss. Plus, choose between Eco and Turbo modes for customized cleaning power. 18. Nanny D Plus Smart Baby Monitor and Wall Mount. With crystal clear HD video and audio, night vision, and two-way audio, you can always keep an eye and ear on your baby from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. Nanny goes beyond just monitoring sleep. It tracks your baby's sleep patterns and provides personalized sleep guidance from pediatric experts. Plus, with Nanit Memories, you can capture precious moments and milestones effortlessly. Trust in Nanit's award-winning design and features for peace of mind and cherish every moment with your little one. 19. Oyo Water Pond Pump. With a powerful 5,600 GPH flow and 15 feet high lift, this pump creates stunning waterfalls and fountains, elevating your yard's ambiance. Enjoy the soothing sound of splashing water thanks to its quiet operation. Easy to install and maintain, it comes with a free mesh bag to protect against debris. Plus, with premium materials and a 1-year quality promise, it's built to last. 20. GrandPad Senior Tablet. Specifically designed for seniors, it combines the functionality of a tablet and phone in one easy-to-use device. With a secure closed network, it blocks spam and robocalls, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Plus, with 4G LTE connectivity and dedicated customer support, staying in touch with family has never been easier. 21. eSeam Solar Backpack. With a built-in 20W solar charger, this backpack lets you juice up your devices on the go, whether you're hiking, camping, or just out and about. Plus, with its spacious 78L capacity and multiple pockets, you'll have plenty of room for all your essentials. Designed for comfort and durability, it's perfect for any outdoor enthusiasts. 22. Peak Design Capture Clip. Whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring the city, this camera mount keeps your DSLR or compact camera secure and easily accessible. With its quick release button and durable design, you can trust it to withstand any adventure. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can shoot with confidence. There you have it, folks. The hot tech gadgets that are guaranteed to take your tech game to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, treat yourself to some tech goodness, and let us know in the comments which gadget you're adding to your wish list first. Until next time, stay tuned, stay techie, and keep living that gadget-filled life. Peace out.